This case began with a complaint for concubinage filed by the lawful wife of Ariel Singgit. She alleged that her husband, while still married to her, was cohabiting with another woman, Genivieve. The prosecution presented evidence showing that Ariel and Genivieve lived together in a separate residence and openly presented themselves as a couple. Lower courts, the Municipal Trial Court in Cities, MTCC, the Regional Trial Court, RTC, and the Court of Appeals, CAR, all found Ariel and Genivieve guilty. Unwilling to accept the verdict, the petitioners brought their case to the Supreme Court, raising a technical argument about the wording used in the criminal charge. The heart of the appeal was a question about the language used in the information, the formal criminal charge. The petitioners argued that the charge was defective because it mentioned cohabitation in a private dwelling rather than the conjugal dwelling specified in Article 334 of the Revised Penal Code. They claimed this difference in terminology made the charge insufficient or misleading. The Supreme Court, however, carefully examined the law and clarified the meaning of these terms. To explain that conjugal dwelling refers specifically to the home shared by the spouses, while private dwelling is a broader term that can refer to any residence not open to the public. Supreme Court ultimately rejected the petitioner's challenge. It held that Article 334 of the Revised Penal Code actually defines concubinage through three distinct modes. First, keeping a mistress in the conjugal dwelling. Second, having sexual intercourse under scandalous circumstances. And third, cohabiting with a mistress in any other place. As the prosecution proved the third mode, cohabitation in a separate residence, the use of private dwelling in the charge did not mislead the accused or limit the prosecution's theory. The court concluded that the variance in terminology was immaterial, the information was valid, and the consistent findings of the lower courts warranted affirmance of the conviction.